Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi.
So this is the vehicle in question. This is our approved used Audi A3 Saloon Sport 35 TFSI 6-speed manual. This particular vehicle is finished in Manhattan grey, which is really complement the exterior looks of this vehicle. Moving on to the recent service history now. This vehicle did have a new car PDI check on the 1st of the 2nd 2023 and also had a used car MPC on the 3rd of the 2nd 2023. Now moving on to the exterior key features, we do have the gorgeous LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition, and they do have dynamic indicators. Moving towards the rear, we do have the LED rear taillights which are a very stylish feature of this vehicle, and then below that we do also have the aluminium A3 badging. To the side now we do have the electrically adjustable exterior mirrors in which you fold away by pressing the lock button on the key. And further down from this we do have the 5 split spoke design alloy wheels which are finished in a gorgeous satin aluminium and do really complement the exterior design of this A3. So moving towards the side of the vehicle, we also notice the chrome around the windows, in which is again really complement the wheels and also the front splitter. Now looking into the rear boot space of this A3 Saloon, we do have up to 425 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount, and this can take up to one large suitcase and a few smaller shopping bags, making this the ideal family saloon car. Looking into the rear now, we do have full nap leather seats throughout this interior, as well as a leather centre armrest which just fold down to present two useful cup holders. There is also the ice fix points located across the back row. There is also aluminium elements dotted throughout the interior, as well as rear vents for the passengers. Moving into the front now, we do have a very well designed cabin with a large amount of nap leather and aluminium trim throughout this interior. With this being the sport model, you get these sporty designed comfortable seats which are finished in full nap leather. Moving on now to the interior key features, we do have this gorgeous round nap leather steering wheel, and there's also the Audi logo in the centre, as well as the gloss black inserts. As we look above now, we do have the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital dials either side of that central screen, in which can also be adjusted. You can also house your navigation and your vehicle settings. Moving towards the centre console now, we do have this very impressive touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving below this now, we do have the equally impressive dual zone climate control, which can simply adjust the temperature by pulling up and down on the tabs, and it can also adjust the airflow. Moving down from this, we do have a nap leather trimmed manual gear shifter, in which just really add to the premium touches inside this cabin. Below the steering wheel you will also find the speed limiter assist and the automatic cruise control, which is perfect for longer motorway journeys. And further down the centre console you also find a nap leather centre armrest, which is open to a deeper storage area. In front of that we do have 2 useful cup holders and as well a 12-volt socket.
So this particular vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, then do give us a call now on 01785 899 417 or inquire online.